Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have a new project that I've just finished. I put together this diorama. I'm calling it Angel or Demon, and I had a bunch of D&D miniatures or fantasy miniatures, and I decided to put together a little diorama. The base is from Monday Night Productions, and the figures themselves all came from Dark Sword Miniatures. The miniatures are all metal. The base itself is casted fiberglass, so mold made with fiberglass and things like that. I will attempt to zoom in a little bit. Hopefully this will work so you can see a little bit more detail, but I'll also stop it from rotating and give you some better shots. This took me a few weeks to do. I definitely tried to take my time, so I didn't rush. I wanted to make sure that everything looked good. And I just, like I said, just trying to take my time with it here and produce something that looked good. And I'm going to stop the little turntable. There. And I'm going to pick this up and hopefully I don't destroy it. So here's the Angel or Demon. And I'm going to put up some stills of everything at the end of the video so you guys can see it. I used a plastic rod to essentially make it look like she's floating up in the air, and then used this polyfill, which is what my wife uses for her amigurumi crocheting projects, to stuff them. So that's what I use for the fog. And then there's a dragonborn wizard, and then a female human wizard over here. Turn this around so you guys can see it a little bit better. She's in a little bit of an awkward angle, so I can't really get in close, but it's the base. The tree limbs, or the trees here, are all from Woodland Scenics. I had those laying around from other displays I have done before. The tufts are all leadbear tufts from Australia. And like I said, the base itself is fiberglass and made by Monday Night Productions. I then painted it. It starts out kind of like with a gray primer on it already, and then I just started painting it up. So, and then, although you can't see it because I covered it up, there's actually a well inside of here that the angel or demon is kind of floating out of. All right. Some of the detail on the stone work. You can also see here I added from the well boiling over, bubbling over, there's water coming out of the well and dripping down onto the sides. Sorry, this is so shaky, but I'm trying to hold everything and keep the camera in front of me and talk all at the same time. So, me and chewing gum and walking at the same time is not easy. Some more detail on the stonework for the base. Same thing up here. And like I said, I have stills of everything, all the work in progress I'll put up at the end, so you guys can see that as well. But there you go. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit on the character. Yeah, there we go. just turn this around a little bit. Maybe I can get a better look at her. Maybe focus. There we go. There's the other wizard. And a little bit more detail work. Especially like the wings. The wings were very difficult to get attached. Mounting points were not very defined. And it took several tries with some 5-minute epoxy to get them to stay on. But yeah, there we go. Sorry again for all the shakiness. A little bit better close-up of her. Again, I have photos of all of this stuff at the end. So there you go. New project. Like I said, it took me several weeks to put all this together, get everything painted up. And I did use Pro-Acryl paints and Daler-Rowney Inks for this entire project. No oil paints or anything like that on it, on any of the pieces or anything like that. It's all acrylics. So I hope you guys like this. I hope everybody is doing well. Things here are going pretty well. Taking a week off and going to Alaska soon, so that'll be fun. And then yeah, we'll be back at the painting table. Hopefully I'll have some more content for you in the next few weeks. I've got a ton of stuff to paint over here. Plus I have shelves of other material to paint. So I'm definitely gonna have a lot of projects. So again, I hope everybody is doing well. If you like what you're seeing here, please like and subscribe. To all my longtime subscribers, thank you very much for sticking around. I know my content has been very sporadic at this point. Hopefully that'll get better in the near future. I'm planning on that. My burnout and everything else is kind of coming to an end. I'm feeling a little bit more clear-headed, I guess, a little less stressed and all that kind of fun stuff. So hopefully you'll get to see a little bit more from me. And to please thank you to all the new subscribers I've picked up, and I've been getting some really interesting and thoughtful comments on some past videos from new subscribers and things. Thank you very much. Thank you for interacting. I appreciate that. And again, I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.